fast-track court is likely to pronounce its verdict in the Delhi December 16 gang rape case in which 4 adult accused were tried for brutal rape and murder of 23-year-old girl. A juvenile has already been sentenced to 3 years of term by the Juvenile Justice Board 10 days back. Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh condemns violence in Muzaffarnagar, speaks to UP Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav, offering all possible help from the centre. Uttar Pradesh government constitutes judicial commission to probe Muzaffarnagar violence. Over 100 persons arrested in connection with the violence. Several senior officers transferred. Opposition demands President's rule in UP. Ajit Singh, his son and a 3-member BJP delegation stopped from entering violence-hit areas. In the wake of violence, all schools and educational institutions closed in Muzaffarnagar and adjoining areas, including Meerut. Two-day RSS BJP VHP coordination meeting on political strategy for upcoming election concludes. Narendra Modi likely to be announced as Prime Ministerial candidate by next week. Supreme Court to hear CBI's plea seeking more investigation officials for carrying out the investigation into coal blocks allocation issue. At present, a 33-member team is involved in the inquiry. Two people have been held over the killing in Afghanistan of Sushmita Banerjee, who wrote a memoir about her escape from the Taliban. The suspects were members of the notorious Haqqani militant network. 155 militants belonging to 4 groups surrendered in Manipur. This has further boosted the peace initiative taken by the state and the centre government. The indefinite ban in Tree Hill subdivisions of Darjeeling was lifted for 2 days beginning Monday, with the Gorkha Joint Action Committee slated to review its future course of action. Information and Broadcasting Minister Manish Tiwari says Bharat Nirman campaign mainstreams the empowerment of people, launches Bharat Nirman web portal, AIR's free SMS news service also launched. TRAI recommends sharp cut in the floor price of mobile phone airwaves for upcoming auctions. Mamnoon Hussain sworn in as the President of Pakistan. He is the 12th President of the country. US President Barack Obama says he will put plans for a military strike against Syria on hold if the country agrees to place its chemical weapons under international control. Syria says it welcomes the Russian proposal if it will avert military strikes. France and Germany also welcome the proposal. Back home, Delhi court grants bail to suspended cricketer Ajit Chandela and 2 others in IPL spot fixing case. Dismisses bail pleas of 5 accused arrested in connection with the case.